Hello, YouTube. Hope you guys are okay. Just need to grab the YouTube link and then I can post it out to the Discord and then we're properly good to go. Thanks, Ben. Ben, why did I just call it? Have you changed your name to Ban? Or am I just tripping it? Did I say Ban? Yeah, it does say Ban. Has someone else changed your name? I changed it. There you go, you're back to Ben. My bad. There you go, she's back. Sorry about that. 1 second. I need to post this link. Not live yet, that's not very good, is it? 1 sec, it should be live. Okay, good, we're live. Good. Right, let me ping this out. Beautiful. Yeah, the profile picture, I don't know. I like it, but don't like it at the same time. I don't know. I can't even get the picture up. I don't even have the picture on. Yeah, don't know. I'll stick with it. Hello, oh God, right. That's another. Sorry, Bello. Let me change your name back to how it was. There you go. Better than my last one. Yeah, yeah. I guess it is better than my last one. Yeah, that's fair. Try wear a mask next time. What? What? Oh, to hide my face. Oh, okay. I was waiting for it. There we go. Didn't understand that one. Right, let's get to it. So, yeah, gonna be a quick one. Last week, I took GU, which was a good trade, but awkward timing. So it was the break and retest, obviously, of this little bad boy here. And you had this, and it's technically like a little weekly break retest as well, so it was a nice level. However, awkward timing, man, because same time we took that trade, freaking Iran decided to bloody blast Israel with like 200 missiles. So yeah, the world was on its back feet a little bit. So USD was obviously a little bit bullish. Because we had risk off environment. People were looking to get into like safe havens and shit. So gold was pushing, JPY, USD, Swiss. So I'm surprised this just didn't dump to stop loss. No, I closed out a break even, Mellow. Which was obviously the safe bet because we also had, this was NFP week. So we had like ADP on Thursday, which is ADP non-employment or employment change, whatever it's called, which came out bullish for US dollar, and I obviously didn't want to hold through that. Yeah, so I just closed at break even because it also did do a reaction, because here we had like 3 levels. We had obviously the break retest level, which was about here. We had this level and we had this break retest level. Now, as you can see, it tapped both of these and made a really nice reaction of about 50 to 60. So it technically did a reaction. So, I don't know. Awkward one. But I'll happily take a break even. So it is what it is. If you held that, then, especially if you held that during a red folder, ADP, whatever the freaking, whatever it is called, then you're a little bit crazy. We had, that's the wrong week. No, it's the right week. Where was ADP? Oh no, that's the one we did hold it through. This is the one I didn't want to hold it through. Unemployment claims and PMI. That, wait, what? Tuesday. Oh no, it was, well, yeah, no, it was ADP. Yeah, okay, so I held it through this. ISM manufacturing, but I put stop loss at break even because I was like plus 20. Then people held it through ADP non-farm, which was obviously a bit of a scary one to go for. I'll hold it through because as you can see, it decided to go pink minus 130. You have so many folders. Yeah, I have all of them just because I have been stung by yellow folders, and some yellow folders are also like high impact. It depends what you go on. Like if you go on my FX book, some of the red folders on here are yellow folders on here, and it's just I don't know. I like to cross-reference the news sometimes. Like yellow folder, JPY, like CPI and monetary minutes and whatever the fuck it's called. Some of those are yellow folder for JPY when, yeah, it doesn't really make sense because they do just as much as some of the red folder. So I like to just know what's happening. I don't trade every currency now, no. I've sort of reduced it to just these on the right. However, I probably will be changing these up a tiny bit just because, I don't know. I want to kind of do some back testing. I did some back testing for GJ 2023, and that was amazing. I had 6 trades, 6 wins and a miss. But then I did Euro NZD, and I had like 15 trades, and after the entire year, I finished up like +2 trades. That's it. It's like +2 R from like 15 trades across the year. I mean, I can show you the ones I took. So we had a win. That was a win. Then what was interesting, all the losses I took on Euro NZD were when we were in a very heavy downtrend. It's like this downtrend got screwed. This downtrend got screwed. You had a level fib, level fib, level fib, level fib. Didn't work, missed, didn't work. Which is really weird. And then the exact same here, we were in this fat downtrend, didn't work. So they were all the losses, but apart from that, I don't know if it was like some sort of, you know, fundamental bias, because by the looks of it, price dumped. So potentially it could have been that. Because apart from that, we took a win, a win, a win, a win, a win. That one I'm pretty sure was a win. Missed by a pip, win. Don't know about that one. That was a win. Like, they were all wins apart from these 2 big ass downtrends. So I don't know if it was just like, you know, yeah, something was actually happening. Like, obviously there must have been a reason for a 900 pip move in 2 weeks, sorry. But I don't know. Apart from that, literally all the other trades were beautiful. But yeah, we'll see. And EN has been performing really nice like over the past few weeks as well. So I don't think I want to get rid of it. This was another valid trade. Don't know if anyone took this. I think a few of you guys held this through NFP, which is crazy. It spiked like, I don't know how many pips, 60 pips into level. But this was such a nice trade if NFP didn't bloody happen on Friday. But it still could work. But I'm really sorry. I hope it doesn't work because I'm hoping for a push into this level. Ignore these. Let me get rid of these actually, so we don't need to see them. We can keep that. We can get rid of that. Because what I'm hoping for is this big fib. Oh God, 38 fib. I'm pretty sure 38 fib with this level. That's what I'm hoping for. So if we do see a break of this and a break of this and a clean move into this level, that will be the ideal trade, hopefully. That's what I'm looking for. But anyway, let's go through stuff properly. Anyway, so news this week, I'm pretty sure it's nothing too crazy. Monday, fine. Tuesday, fine. Wednesday, cash rate ends at D, FOMC, that's not bad at all. That's 2 a.m, so that is completely fine. And then 7 p.m, we're fine all day. Thursday, USD CPI. That is literally fine, just one news release to avoid. Oh my God, next week's so nice. Friday, bit of a interesting one throughout the day. But yeah, no, that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is looking really nice. I mean, Wednesday not as good, but I mean, yeah, it's still fine actually. Thank you, Embers, on the new profile picture. I appreciate it. So I prepare for the onboarding of scammers because you're probably going to have, I've just about to start posting content again because I keep on saying that, but I've got my nice little fluffy new mic thing and stuff. I'm going back to, do you guys, I don't know how long you guys have been in here or how long you've been watching my content, but do you guys remember when I used to upload like the basic phone videos on TikTok and stuff where I just like reply to comments and stuff using my phone? I went from that to obviously like the really high quality camera videos. I'm going back to the phone basically. I've been back and forth so much, like if I do or don't. But yeah, during the fat win streak, yeah. But yeah, I basically went from phone to camera and it went really high quality. But yeah, the quality was super nice and it felt way more professional. And obviously straight from the quality, you can, I don't know, it's a little bit more trustworthy if it makes sense. But I think like the meta at the minute, like that everyone's doing, well, you can see like, for example, the gym guys who follow like Sam Sulek and shit. You can see he blew up because it's super authentic and like, you know, there's no high quality, loads of edits. Like that's so boring now. Everyone's doing the same editing style and it's so generic. So just going back to like the super personal, super authentic. I think that's the way. And it's easy for me. Like it's so much making that the high quality camera videos. There's so much effort and they're so boring to make because I just had to sit at my PC all day, like sit in front of the PC and just talk about shit. Whereas with the camera, with my phone, I can be on the trading floor, I can be walking somewhere, I can be, you know, at my desk and do whatever, and I can make videos. I don't know, it's just easier. Anyway, but I'm going back to that. So start next week, you'll see them. Got my levels on ES right now. Ignore the dude. Right, okay. I'll ignore that guy, yeah, sure, yeah. Actually, let me have a look at your levels, actually. That one, yeah. This one, no. That one, yeah. That one, I mean, I'd go a bit lower. And that one, yeah, I mean, some of the levels we look at similar. Yeah, that break retest looks juicy. I like that. Yeah, sorry, Otto. Yeah, I'll send it after this. Don't worry. You need to get their win streak back to get 40 people. Yeah, I remember like the fat win streaks. When I went on the fat win streak, we did have like, I swear to God, I think the max we had in here was 60 people. It was unreal. But that was when I was posting signals, like heavy signals. There was no analysis. It was just pure signals. And that's when we had a silly amount of people in here. And like the emotions in the chat, as soon as I posted a signal and it went live, oh my God, people went crazy. So we don't really have any valid levels here. Obviously this is level, but obviously not the fib because we haven't broken this high yet. So if we do break this high, then yes, we could maybe look at like this. I don't know, we'd have to push pretty high, wouldn't it? So it's either this or this is going to line up. So yeah, there's not really a nice fib yet. That isn't, I don't know why I was marking it out, but yeah, that's what I'm looking at for GJ. Not as keen on that one, to be honest. You got that as a break retest, but I don't really like it. Nah, I think that's what I'm looking at. Yeah, the good old days. Yeah, phone cameras are getting good. They are getting very good. Did anyone take this on GU? This was on the back of some news as well. So you had the 61. This was my like backup zone for this, which again didn't work because as you can see, yeah, news came out. Still no camera. Yeah. Yeah, still no camera. Yeah, still no camera. It will be fixed, okay? It'll be fixed. I'll keep on saying it'll be fixed until it's fixed. We got that break retest. I mean, don't know if I'm a massive fan, to be honest. That's only 70. I don't know. A little bit iffy with that one. Not a massive fan, so I'm probably not. All I have is this big ass buy, which is the 38 fib. Big 38 fib, 1.3, big psych level. You've got the 100 EMA. So let's say we entered there, 50. You've got the EMA. You got the psych. You got the fib. That's a really nice trade. That's what I'm looking at for next week. As long as we tap Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, that could be nice. So yeah, that's a good one for GU buyers. Let me just mark out a little rectangle. Yep. GA. What do we have with GA? I mean, this is still the exact same as last week. Not much update. Looking for that break retest on GA. Entries, obviously, bang on the break retest. 50. I mean, you can probably go a little bit lower. Why don't I have... Let me quickly set 45 as a template. I think I have a template for my buys, but not my sells. Template, save as 45. There we go. I think 45 can do, because then you're targeting like the EMA. I don't want to go past that fib. I mean, 50 is the max, obviously. But I think 45 could also work. You've also got a psych level. 50 fib. Break retest. Yeah, I like that. That one's a beautiful one. So GA sells. GN is currently with EN. So obviously we have the EN shorts with a 61 fib, little break and retest also. So you got like a double level. You got the SMA, you got the EMA. We do have GN at a level as well. Obviously GN doesn't really have anything apart from the psych. 2.13. But nice little alignment there. By the way, I'm also going to quickly go through all my normal pairs, like all the other pairs that I used to trade, and I'm going to like draw out all the levels, just because I'm going to start using them a little bit more for alignment and stuff, like NU, all the different USD pairs pretty much. GN 4-hour level break retest. Ooh, he's still on the 4-hour. Yeah, I see that. 4-hour break retest. I mean, it's not broken by much, has it? 60. Yeah, if you want to take a 4-hour trade, that's a good 4-hour trade. But I mean, personally, I am not touching a 4-hour. But yeah, that's a valid 4-hour. I don't really have anything for GN, to be honest. Obviously, that's currently in use. This obviously doesn't have a fib because it's already been used this level, and it's not broken a low, so it's not a new valid one. This is nice. You've got that, which I don't think lines up with fib. I can't remember. Okay, that's the 50 fib, but it's pretty damn wide. 57, so you'd have to use split entries. This is not good fib because I don't know. You can sort of draw both here. You can draw that one and you can draw that one. So either way, you've got 61/50. So I guess you can go for either. I think I'll take it on forward test. Yeah, go for it. Go for it. Go for it. You have this wick down here, which is obviously another level, but there's not going to be any fib or anything there. So yeah, nothing on GN. EN, obviously currently in it. Major 61 on GN. 2.155. I don't really see that as a level, personally. Yeah, I don't really see that as a level. I'd more look at this and that wick. I think I prefer this. I mean, I get, you know, obviously price is pushed up, come down, then create. I guess, yeah, it's more of, I don't know. It's done that. No, it's done. Yeah, I guess so. You're looking at that. I think I'd rather just go for this one, the more recent price action, because I think we'll either see this one work or we'll see this one fail. It'll tap into this higher one and then work. But considering this one lines up with 61 and the 50, I think I'd rather go for that one. And I think that's a nicer level compared to that. That's my preference, obviously. Yen. I mean, I'll keep that there just to see if it works or not. But yeah, that fib's gone. Not really looking for that anymore. We'll just keep it there. See, for the people who have entered that, good luck. The only thing I really see now is that 38 sell. So I can't lie. I hope you took that trade. I hope the best. But I also wanted to hit stop loss so I can take that 38. I'm kind of waiting for this. I can't lie. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm waiting for that 38 fib sell. I think that'd be nicer as well, because if we do see a break of this level, that's an extra confidence for this 38 sell. And obviously you can target all the way down here, which would be nice. So I think a 50 take profit is more than fine. Oh Jesus, yeah, no, yeah, you can target even more if you wanted to. That's completely fine. 38 and 50. Why are you drawing that? Okay. Oh shit, yeah. Okay. Yeah, you got that one as well. Guess you got both. So yeah, you got a nice little double fib on that, so that's even better. But yeah, that's a nice trade. Ping the little alert there. Sells on EN, GA, buys on GU. Okay, so we got 3 decent setups. That GA looks like it could tap maybe even Monday. EA is a bit of a bummer because... Oh my god, I didn't even check if it had... Oh yeah, of course it doesn't. It has that, but obviously that's not a valid fib. Yeah, no. This break retest is coming up, but it doesn't line up with anything. That's what I'm looking at. That fib. We've got the 50. I know it's like a small ass box, but it's got a little break retest to the 50, which is nice. So that is the next zone I'm looking at for EA. 1.63 psych just below as well. So I'd probably go for that, to be honest. I'll probably enter around the psych. That's your zone. Yeah, looks okay. So we have sells on EA as well. So now we've got like 4 decent setups, or potentially next week, which is good. Why did I decrease my pairs I was analyzing? Because that was pretty much what I was told to do. So, I mean, Ahmed, if you've not been keeping up or whatever, I'm now being mentored by the person I was originally taught by. So obviously I learned from FX Cartel. They were like the first people I learned from. Then I sort of did my own thing. Then I learned from a few other people and blah, blah, blah. And now I'm basically sort of working for FX Cartel, helping them with a bunch of stuff, helping with their marketing and a few things to do with the trading floor and stuff. And as a little benefit, I'm getting mentored by Seb, which is obviously their main dude who started FXC. And the first thing we've switched around with a mentorship is I basically cut back on my trading plan. And at the minute, I'm literally just trading fib and levels just until I get the hang of his way of looking at levels. Because before I obviously went back to 7 stuff, I wouldn't really see many levels within this move. I'd literally see that, maybe that. That was it. Whereas Seb sees a lot more. He sees these smaller levels as levels, which, yeah, I would have never seen that as a level, but it is a level. I mean, every level is a level, but, you know, I had my own ways, he had his ways. So I'm currently adapting to the way he sees levels. So we cut back on my trading plan and also cut back on the amount of pairs, just so I could sort of learn the ins and outs of each of these pairs. These are like some of the most volatile as well. You don't want to be trading super low volatility pairs like some of the Swiss pairs. They're obviously not really, when you're looking at like these small levels, like on here on EA, it's 112 pips. Whereas if you go for, I don't know, something like, I mean, I don't really have any small pairs, lower volatility pairs on here, but if you look at like this level, it's only 40. I know some people were looking at that as well, which on like GJ, a wick like that would be 150. Like there, that's 40. GJ, just this wick alone, is 170. So that's obviously has a shit ton more significance compared to that little GU level. Like realistically, are you going to be able to get 50 pips out of that level? Probably not. That's like a 100% move compared to GJ, which is 160. A 50 pip move from that level is only a 30% retracement. So unless you're going to scale down, you know, your stop loss, take profit, that type of thing with these slower moving pairs, fair enough. Do you not have the 1.6235 area on EA? 6235, 6235. No. Small key level and trend line. That's a steep ass trend line, isn't it? Yeah, no chance. That trend line? Unless you've gone like this big trend line. No chance that's not gonna... No. Oh yeah, maybe. Oh shit, yeah, it could be that one. So you're looking at that level. It's only 65 pips. 6245. Yeah, I see what you're looking at. No. I mean, I don't really see that as a level, personally. Because again, this is where it gets super subjective. Because like, if you're seeing that as a level, then that has to be a level as well. And if you're seeing these two as a level, that has to be a level. And that has to be a level. Because this only did this did 67 pips. This one did 69 pips. So that's a stronger level than that. And then these up here did 62. And then this one here, okay, that one only did 38. Fair enough. Unless it was actually that full move. I don't know. But I don't know. I don't want to go that micro scale, to be honest. It's a bit hard because that's obviously when it's up to you which levels you see as levels and which you don't. But yeah, I don't see that as a level. I don't know. It's a hard one to define, really. Because obviously pips isn't the main thing, but at the same time, for me, it sort of is. It's the easy definer. Because that's 130. That's 112. That's like half the size. I don't want to look at that because then, again, like I just said, if you're looking at that as level, you have to look at every single level like that as a level. That makes sense? I don't know. But when you stack up the confidences, yeah, I guess. But then you've got a weak level with strong confidences. I'd only take strong levels in the first place. I don't want to be taking any weak levels. Because I think that's like the base of my trading. I don't want to have a weak base. We gotta see if it gets there. It's done a 250. Yeah, no, that's a completely valid confluence. Yeah, strong move in. That's really nice. That's what I'm saying. You have a weak level with strong confluences, which yeah is good, but for me, for my conditions, I think I'd rather start off with just a strong level, because then I can take a strong level with a weak confluence and it's completely fine. And to me, I think that I'd have a higher potential chance of a pullback. Just any strong level compared to any weak level. I don't know. That's just the way. That's how I would like to trade it. But you know, those small levels can work 100%. Do you have the same stop loss and take profit for JPY and non-JPY pairs? No. So I mean, it varies between 30 and 50ish pips. If the zone's more than 50 pips wide, then I'll do split entries. GA analysis. Yeah, sure. That's all I have for GA, really. I don't know if that's entry and stop loss is 100% confirmed, but that's just a random one I slapped on. That is literally all I see. We did have this break retest, which obviously was not very good timing with NFP and stuff, so that one was pretty much a no-go. But apart from that, that 50 is beautiful because you have the 1.94 psych, you have 50 fib. Don't know if we have analysis alignment with like EA. I mean, that's like 100 pips away. EA, don't know. Don't think so. I think we can get that FXC stuff sorted. Yeah, wait out. I saw a DM. My bad about that. We'll sort it literally tomorrow. Don't worry. By the end of tomorrow, it'll be done. EU. Yeah, I'll go over. Let me just quickly do gold and these ones, and then yeah, sure. I'll go over like the rest of the pairs and stuff. So obviously gold, I trade 4 hour as well. So I mean, first of all, daily, nothing much has really happened. That was a miss. 50, yep. 61, yep. This is a 4 hour level. So 4 hour, yeah, we got two nice zones. Apart from that, obviously there's no fib here, and I'm only trading fib at the minute. So it's an absolute pain. So just waiting for price to just break out of any of this, please. So then we can get a fib. Just a nice little break out of this low. Bam. Then we can whack a fib on it or something. 2600 gold is nice. Yeah, it's beautiful. That's a big level. Fib as well, yep. And then we have 2616. Jesus. 2616. With the 50 fib, which is nice. So yeah, just waiting on that. Yeah, sure, I'll go over S&P 500 as well. DXY, I mean, I don't actually trade this. I just use this for obviously alignment. There is nothing much really apart from this. I guess we can ping some on there as well. So yeah, just waiting for basic levels really on DXY just to, I don't know, well, for alignment obviously. S&P 500, I don't really have much analysis for this as well. It's just more drawing the levels. This is more obviously all fundamentally driven at the minute. Mainly to do with obviously Iran and all that stuff and the elections. So I think this will have a big shift depending on what the election is looking like towards the end of this month. Obviously, we got November, which is US election. We got Harris or bloody Trump. So if you guys look at like the previous elections, you can see there's a sort of pattern. I can't bother going over all of it right now, but where was November 2020? Where was it? That was the election, right? Nope. Oh, I'm in 2022, that's why. Oops. 2020, May. November, here it was, okay. So that was when Biden won. Literally nothing happened. Nothing happened at all. We had a little pre-market dump the month before. So all of October we had a bit of a dump. Then we saw a rally end of October, start of November. And then just price just continue. We literally had one little 3% move. It retraced instantly, and then we continued. Compared to when Trump came into the power, I'm pretty sure we saw like, was it with S&P or was it with gold? I don't know which one it was, but it was like quite a crazy move. Okay, yeah, and then this is when Trump came into power. We had a fucking crazy move. 6% move down, instant retracement. We were pretty bearish before that. We had like a November pre-election dump. And then, as you can see, it rallied. Like, rallied pretty nicely. Compared to when Biden came into power. It was, I mean, it did technically rally again, but I don't know. It was sort of rallying before he even came into power. I don't know. And if you look at DXY, I don't think anything happened. I think it went actually weak for the US dollar when Biden came into power. I can't remember because I did some bit of analysis on it. 2020. Where is it? Here we go. So this was the election there. That was the election. I mean, obviously DXY was already pretty weak, but it didn't really do much. It bottomed out a year later. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, here's where I did a bit of analysis. October rally, November. Beginning of November, we had a little pre-market dump. And then we rallied. I don't know. Anyway, carrying on. Just good to have a quick look. So yeah, I don't really have anything for S&P 500. Just waiting for these little levels. Right, let's go to all the other pairs. EU. Where did I run? What do you mean, Josh? EU. Yeah, sure, I'll go over EU. I mean, EU moves slow as hell. Compared to GU. It's not as nice. Okay, let's ping a big fib on this. Let's have a look. I feel like some of these are going to line up. Nope, never mind. That would have been a beautiful trade. If DXY, I mean, NFP didn't screw it up. Oh god, these are all the old levels. Candle body close levels. Boom. This, get rid of like the 4-hour level crap. That break retest, break retest. That I'm not looking at. That's currently reacting pretty nicely, which is weak dollar. Don't know if GU's reacting. GU's sort of already reacted. EU's sort of late to the party a little bit. We are pretty damn weak, so break retest continuation to the downside could be beautiful, such as that 23 fib sell with the psych level at 1.1. That would be USD bullish. Does DXY have any buy levels? No, I doubt DXY would come back down here. But if it did at the same time as EU, that would be amazing. So I think that's it really. I'll just look at that break retest potentially. And then this is a bit of a awkward one. It's sort of a big zone. But that break retest as well. For buyers, I wouldn't really be looking at anything. Yeah, I don't really have... I mean, the 61 fib is pretty much 6 pips. I mean, you technically could go for that. But yeah, I think the sells are nicer, especially with this fast move. I think sells definitely do look nicer. Yeah, I'm going to do some really quick analysis, just draw some lines and stuff, because I don't really trade these pairs anymore. So just want to quickly just draw some lines so that when I'm looking for alignment and stuff, it might be a little bit easier. Is that valid? 79. Oof. Too sure on that one. That. Yep. That's only 79 again. I don't really like that one as much. But again, can you say that's not a level? I mean, the break retest has already worked. You can't really say that's not a level and then say this is a level. It's a tough one. Did that break retest line up with a fib? Not really. Yeah. G Swiss. That is disgusting. Yeah, no. It's more the USD pairs. Let me go to like AU. Okay. Okay, we can get rid of that. AU, that. I mean, these are all obviously the obvious levels. 80. See, like, I don't know. This is where it gets a little bit sketchy because that's only 80 pips. Obviously, you'd have to go for like a 30-30 on that type of level. So you have that. You have that thing, which is 40. I get scared when I see that many pairs. Yeah, it's not the best. I don't think I like it. That is a beautiful 61 fib. Look at that. Don't. Now I'm going to be tempted. 40. That is huge. That looks so big. 30. Okay. That looks completely... Okay, I'm going to keep that there just for, you know, just have a look. Just in case something happens. And it works. And then I'm tempted to, you know, give it a try. I'm going to basically try and backtest most 2023 for each. Well, I'm going to backtest 2023 for each pair. That's what I'm going to do. Just to see the stats. I want the statistics. I've done GJ and EN so far. Of all pairs, not straight away. I want to just do the pairs I'm trading. But I would like to test out the ones I'm not trading as well. Just to see. Just have a quick look. I'm going to try and bash that out and see. It's just a pain in the ass to record all the data. That's the longest part. Taking the trades is easy. Recording all the data is, yeah, pain. UJ is crazy. It moves so fast. Like, this move up about 1,000. 750 pips on that move up. It does like 250 in a day on a normal day. 280. 500 pips. Another 200. On a day where it looks just like a wick, it's done 160. A 50 pip stop loss ain't working on UJ. You got to be in and out quick if you're going 50 pip stop loss. USD CAD, you got in that, the 50. Fib hasn't really changed much, but I guess you have got that. That's 50, no chance. I'm just going to draw some zones just to see. I'm going to just put some little positions on and just keep them there and then come back and see what happens. Let's go a little 45. Come back in a week and see, you know, if it worked or not. Yeah. I'm probably going to call it there in a second, unless we do some back testing. I still need to record my previous trades. You know what? Should we do some back testing? Should we do some pick a pair and quickly do some. We do have like 15 minutes until I normally end it-ish. I've done GJ. I've done EN. Anyone have any preference at all as to which we do? We can do gold if you want, EA, GN, GA, GU. Any preference? Gold. Oh, fuck. This is going to take ages because I'm doing 4 hour. Okay. Oof, right, let's give it a go. All right, 2023. Okay, we missed a few days already. Oh well. Let's start. Have we got any fat weekly levels? Yeah, we do. We have a few fat weekly levels. Let's go to the daily. Okay. Oh god, this is where it gets a little bit disgusting. That move up is not the nicest. 4 hour, we're already going into the degen levels. Okay. That's a daily break retest, but you've also got the 4 hour level. When it comes to the 4 hour, I'm looking for the little bit more significant levels. I don't want to go for like these, you know, obviously on a daily, that would probably be a valid level. But when it comes to the 4 hour, I'm more looking for a little bit more defined levels. I don't want to go for the true degen levels. That daily break retest, let me quickly, I don't know, we've got quite a few fibs. Let's start off with a big fib. Obviously that's not going to line up. We then have that, which does line up, but is that a valid fib? Yes, that is a valid fib, so that's a valid trade. And it's broken by 320 pips. Oh god, okay, right. And we'll do gold. Fuck me, right, okay. Let's whiz this, and we're gonna have to go at least like 80, I reckon, on this. 80. Let's just do that. Let's see if it even comes down. Okay, we're in. Let's see. 80. Yeah, I don't know if we have anything else. This 33. You've got bollocks. You've got the psych level. Literally right there. And you do have that other break retest. One second. We're in this trade, but let me just quickly check. Let me check this fib of the most recent push up. Ooh, you could take that as a backup, but then does it become one zone? Don't know this break retest here because that wick was a little bit awkward. Because then you could technically take that, the 61 fib, that break retest with the psych level as well. But then obviously it's getting a little bit weird because then you have two zones. You could do like a big split entry. Do we do it as a split entry instead? Because I do want to test my split entries. And then we can just do it as an equal 1-to-1. Let's go like this. This is going to be big balls. So 0.5, and we're going to do a 3.5. That's 1 to 3.5. That's 4. So it's basically a 1-to-2 trade. There you go. So instead of just doing 2 trades, we've gone 0.5 on each technically. So the first one you'd gain 0.25, and the second one you'd gain like 3.5. So you gain like 1.75. So that'd be a gain, and that'd be a gain. So let's see. Okay. So now you saved yourself from taking a loss there, because if we would have had that original entry of 80, you literally would have got stopped out on this one, missed this one, and then it's gone to take profit. So instead now we took the safer option because this is a wide ass zone. And then you just bagged a quick, I know it's only like 0.5 risk reward, but you gain something. So that's the idea behind split entries, if that makes sense. Because then at least you're gaining something. Because if, for example, if I would have went that and that, if you would have gained on, if you would have lost on this one and then you got tagged and this one worked, you literally break even anyway. So like, was there even any point taking these? You could have obviously gained on this one, you would have been +1, but it makes more sense because I didn't understand it at first. It makes more sense to do this because then rather than doing 1-to-1 risk reward or going break even, you will lose on this one, you gain on this one. You would have been break even if you had the original take profit stop loss. But with this, if you get this one, then nice, you've gained half risk reward. If you get this one as well, you've just gained like 1 to 2. But anyway, yeah, that was nice. Anyone confused by that, or does that make like at least 50% sense? Some sort of sense. So there we go. We're up. We're up. We need to go back to the daily, but also the 4 hour at the same goddamn time. We can get rid of that. We got a break retest there on this, which doesn't really line up with that fib or that fib currently. I mean, that one does. How wide is that? 40. 6.5. I mean, technically that's valid. 40 is pretty damn wide. Again, if you went 80, gold will take so long to do. I think I'll just do like a month. We'll take it. We'll see, because I need to record the data anyway, don't I? The fib's not that far. It's like 30-ish, 34. Let's go for it. We're in a big ass uptrend anyway, so it's worth going for. Okay. Okay, now it's... I mean, that's a miss, isn't it? Yeah, it's a miss. Let's see what happens. Not looking for anything. That break retest is weird. We have another break retest. This is where the fib gets ugly again. You got to draw a brand new fib. You got that break retest. Again, with gold going sky high right now, it is worth taking that. Even though it's not the most defined break retest. Yep. Yep. Bit of an awkward one. Don't know if I'd take that. Now let's see if that lines up. 38, 30 away. Take it from about there. Come on. 60. I probably go 70. However, take profit's going to be a bit little skew with. If that rejects up to 23 fib now, I'm going to be a little bit annoyed. Okay, here we go. And you're going to have to count that as a miss. Missed by 14. Did 85. So I'll just keep that there. And I'm recording the misses as well, by the way. Yeah, it's definitely a miss. You have this... little bastard. You have this second level, which again is a little bit weird. It's done 90, the 61 fib. Or do you wait for this? I mean, that wick sort of... Let me just do this so I can go on a daily. I don't want it to ruin the trade. I'm getting bloody so degenerate on the 4 hour. Looking at tiny levels. Don't know. I don't want to get too submerged on this. So if you go to the hourly, this is disgusting, right? I mean, that's actually... Oh shit, I didn't even see that, to be fair. That is actually okay. Oh yeah, because it's... Oh yeah, no, that's fine. I'll take that. I'll take that. I didn't see that wick there as well, so price is technically done. 160. Okay, yeah, I'll take that. But entries for this are going to be awkward. I won't enter... You could enter at the fib, but I think I'd rather enter at this wick here. And again, let's go. I think you can get away with 60 on this. Something like that. Let's see. Oh, you little biatch. Okay. That's another miss. Yeah, that's another miss. Obviously, I'm not taking that now. Nothing. Okay, now we have break retest. And you have a sort of new fib. I don't know. This is this is where it gets really degenerate. You got like this fib. Yeah, Tux is now banned for life. Don't worry. Doesn't really line up. I'm not going for that. Let's see if it works. Of course it fucking works, little bitch. That fib was way too small to go for that, to be honest. Don't really see anything. You do have these two wicks, but again, I don't really want to go for those type of levels on gold. I think I'd rather go for a tiny little bit more significant ones. This is awkward because both of those are sort of not lining up, so I'm just going to wait. Okay, that's what I was waiting for. Perfect. 38 fib. Yep, I'll take 38 fib. Oh, shit. Okay, we're getting close. Oh. Ah! God, man, it wicks so much. Okay, never mind. That 38 is gone. Jesus Christ. Chill. This is now ugly because you've got this, this, this. So you can't take any of them unless you want to go for the last one. The daily, that's completely valid on the daily. So I would take that on a daily. And it technically does line up currently. So if price does come down here, I'll take it as a daily level and I'll ignore the 4 hour. 38 worked. Are we going to see a push to that 61? Maybe. Okay, right. This is going to be a daily trade. Now, please don't screw me over. Okay. No way it worked that nice. I would have missed it by 0.35. Oh no, I would have got it. Wait, did it tap 901? If that tapped 901, oh my god, that would have been, that is beautiful. Yeah, it tapped 901, didn't it? Beautiful. That would have been my entry for that. And again, I would have went. Sorry, that was technically cheating, technically not, but obviously I'm going an extra 10 pips above the cycle on gold. I would have went 70-70 on that. Sorry for half cheating. Jesus Christ, that was nice. Oh, let's see that. Jesus. Now what do we have? Fine. No. Daily, we don't have anything. Oh god, it looks like we have a nice little spike. If it pushes a tiny bit more, we can have a break retest. 270, go on. One more push. Bastard. No, I'm not taking it. You have that. Which again is awkward. The 61, yeah, sure. But again, if I'm taking the 61, I have to take that other one. But I don't really like how that lines up. I'm thinking I'm just going to wait for the 61. Okay. I'm guessing that was news. Okay, yes, thank you. I'm counting that as a cancel. That thing just did 300 pips just over an hour. By the way, if it is a crazy candle like that, then obviously I'm not taking it because that's some weird ass news that's just come out. This is technically a new valid level, which let me just go back because I want to see if I can take this on a daily. Because I think I would. Oh, such an awkward fib. That's way too big, unless you want to go some big ass fib like this. Oh my god. Does line up nice. 40. Ooh. Could go for it. Okay, we're going 1905 with an 80. Oh, even 80 isn't big enough. 80 is not going to be big enough for that, is it? Is 90 too much for a stop loss? No, that's a big level. I'm going 90. And my entry is on, where I was meant to have my entry there. 0.5. Yeah, about there. Let's see. Oh my god. That is news, right? Let me go on to hourly. Yeah, of course it is. Okay, right. Yep, no, that's a cancel as well. Jesus Christ. Okay, fair enough. Waiting for a juicy break retest on this one, though. Go on. Okay. Let me just make that a bit smaller as well. Here we go. This is going to be the best short I've ever taken. Here we go. Yep, that lines up perfect. You ready? I kind of want to enter a tiny bit before the psych. I'm going to enter on the fib. I'm going to do that with a... Oh, fuck. Yeah, 70-70. Let's see. Please don't get absolutely spanked by news, and please don't break that low. Go on. Up, up, up. There you go. Let's creep in. Oh, you little bastard. Never mind. Oh my god, man. I'll take that 23. I'll do like one or two more trades, and I'm gonna hop off. 70. I need to go a tiny bit below. Again, I'm gonna go 70. 70. That was technically a break retest. I mean, probably missing so many trades here, to be honest. But yeah, it's what it is, isn't it? Oh, of course that happens. It's like here, right? We could probably go that. I mean, that doesn't really line up, but that break retest probably is beautiful. It's a completely valid trade. I'm not counting that as lining up yet. Oh my god, see what I mean? Yeah. Right. One more trade, and we're done. I mean, I feel like that's already been rinsed, but you know, why not? This looks tiny. Sack it. Okay, it's missed. Never mind. It's a miss. Yeah. It worked, but no. That is technically a miss. Missed by 13. Did 63. But nice trade. I'll move it up so I know not to take it. Right, one more. Come on. I am a funded trader. Yes, I am. Not a very good funded trader, but I am. I'm looking for that 23. Okay, never mind. We have another break retest. 100 pips. Let's see. Go on, let's follow the momentum. Let's catch a beautiful 60. Yeah, light work. Go on. Oh, why did it not work for me? That's still 50. Yeah, I'll still take that. Come on. Fuck, that's not good. Okay, I'll take that. Nice. Nice. God, man. That's good. So God has been good so far, actually. I mean, to be fair, I could probably take so many more trades. Holy shit, God is actually really good. And you've only taken 3 trades. And 1, 2, 3 misses, 3 wins. Yeah. But yeah, I could take so many more. Like there's a lot of these break retest like continuations are really nice. Fuck. That's a valid trade. I know, it's alright. This break retest here. Let's see. I mean, I don't know, like taking something like that is going to be awkward because I don't know if the fib actually lines up. It's not really, you can't even class that as lining up because you're taking about 4 fib levels there. No. Bollocks. Okay. Well, that just was nowhere near anyway, so that's fine. Okay, we could actually see this. 61 fib, I'll take that if it comes to it. Okay, never mind. Right, I'm just going to call it there. I think we're good. 23 break retest. However, that wick was super awkward. I want to see if that 23 retest works. I don't even line up now. I'll wait for the 50. Okay, here we go. 50. This is the last trade. The very last trade. And then I'm going. 50. I'm scared with 50. It honestly scares me. We'll go 60. Here we go. Oh my god. I'm guessing that's news. Considering it dumps 150, 116 an hour. But anyway, on that note, we'll leave it there. I don't know if that is news or not. I'm guessing it is. Oh shit, I wasn't even looking at the daily either. Oh fuck. Anyway, gold isn't too bad. I think gold looks nice. There's just a lot of fucking trades. I've only done 2 months, 3 months there. Yeah, back testing is fun until you have to collect the data. That is literally me on my journal at the minute. I've literally inputted 5 GJ trades. I've got like, I think I've got another GJ one, another 2 GJ ones, and I've got like 15 EN trades to journal. And then I've got to do all these gold ones as well. I can't be bothered, but I need to. Yeah. Right, I'm going to go through the Discord, clean some stuff up, reply to messages. I'm actually so excited to get the content back tomorrow. Gonna get a bunch of scripts and content ideas and stuff like that ready for tomorrow. I'm gonna spam a shit ton of content out. Ready for the week. Mentorship recording. I'm gonna wait. Actually, I'll see.